Sin 70 degree cos 20 degree plus cos 70 degree into sin 20 degree is how much? This question is familiar with one formula, that is sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This 70 degree if A, this 20 degree if B, A, B, then it will be how much? Sin 70 degree plus 20 degree equals to sin 90 degree equals to 1. So the answer is C, 1. Next question.